What's up, Manny Pack? Today we're playing a game called Guess That Sound.
Let's get to it.
Hey! Screen's gonna be right here. It's gonna be over this. Alright, we gotta listen.
Bowling.
Bowling.
Bowling. That one was easy.
Yep. Bowling. Toilet flush. Toilet flush.
Yeah. Definitely toilet flush. I had to wait to see if it slowed down or not. Yep.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna be easy, isn't it?
I bet they're building up. It's gonna be like
I hope
ACT's,
it gets harder.
ACT type questions. Which one? Me?
Ow?
I think it's a bird. Let's just say
Bird?
bird.
Yeah. Ow.
Sound like an owl to me too, but I decided to go with the shotgun effect and just say bird.
A pin click.
Yeah, that's a pin click. That one's easy.
It's gonna be easy.
It's gonna be real easy. There it goes. Well,
This is lame. Let's get somewhere.
I thought this would be super. And glass breaking. Come on.
Yeah. What is this for kids?
Plate smashing, glass breaking. That's a win.
Vacuum.
I was gonna say hairdryer, but it's definitely a vacuum cleaner. It's definitely a vacuum.
Could be a hairdryer.
Oh, it's getting more difficult. Yeah.
It better get more difficult.
Chickens.
Break yourself.
Call it a hen. Same hen, rooster, chicken. Doesn't matter what gender it is. It's a chicken.
Cooking a steak. Grilling. Cooking on a pan.
Oh, I was gonna say rain. They
Oh,
got us at
snap.
8. They got us.
Oh snap. Clock.
Glock. I'm just kidding. Clock.
Clock.
Yep, that is definitely.
We missed one.
That's a clock. Yeah, we missed one.
Pig.
Yeah. Ducks. Wait, how do we not even know that one? That one is so easy. Cutting paper.
Cutting wood.
Oh, sawing wood. Cutting paper. I'll stick with that.
Okay.
Get the wood. I got it. Boom! I got one for one.
I mean, it's getting getting harder though.
Yeah, it's getting harder. That did sound like sawing wood though, and I was like,
Plane. Plane.
Plane flies overhead.
Yeah. Jet.
Yeah.
Same thing. I guess. Maybe it's not. It sort of is though. If I say plane.
We are 10 for 1.
It's another hoop.
Just kidding. Yeah, that's obviously
two.
another owl. I'm just kidding.
We missed 2 though.
It's a pigeon. Got me there. We missed 2. Yeah,
It's
we
a
missed.
bird, whatever. Snoring?
Horse.
Snoring?
I was gonna say horse.
Dirt bike?
Cat purring.
Okay, this is getting harder.
Yeah, it's getting pretty
Or
hard.
maybe it's easy. That's a lawnmower.
Yeah, I used to hear that every day. Wake up in the morning because my neighbors. You ever have neighbors like that?
Yeah, early in the morning, cutting grass,
Yeah, they do it like
trying to sleep.
every day. Like it grows up more, grows 3 inches every day or something.
Swing.
Hammock. I'm gonna say hammock. Trees in the wind.
Holy crap, that was hard. What?
Yeah, right. I was like, dang. Saw.
Hairdryer?
Dang it. Real.
Golly, that's like 4 or 5
Yeah.
now.
This is rough. Crow.
Crow. Yeah. Which is a bird.
Yeah, okay, we got that. I like the sound of crows. Sheep. I mean, it could be goat. They could be like,
sheep or goat.
Just kidding, it's a goat.
It's a man that's just making the noise. That's number 6.
It's in order of getting slaughtered. Just kidding. Blowing nose.
Yeah, blowing nose.
I hope it's blowing nose.
Ooh, that's nasty.
Sounds like someone's passing gas, kind of. You got it.
That's nasty, bro.
Dude, slow down.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Okay,
that
was
was
pretty good.
Easy.
Sort of easy. They tripped us up more than a few times in the end there, though. Let's try another one.
Extremely hard. Guess that sound.
I don't want to try that one.
Yeah. All right, you will hear one sound at a time repeatedly for 15 seconds. Snow. Walking in snow.
Rubber.
Walking in snow? That's my best guess. Zipping up jeans. Dude, this is hard because...
How do they get it like that?
Yeah. Cranking keys. Stepping on glass.
I was thinking glass, but I think you got it with the keys. Yeah, you got it.
I even said clanking.
Yeah, I even said clanking around keys. This one's sawing wood, right?
Yeah, that's sawing. That's
back and forth sound.
Could also be stepping in snow.
They're all stepping in snow variations. Cutting paper with scissors. They did it a certain way where it sounded like a saw was going back and forth. No one cuts paper like that. They're doing good. They're good. They're getting us. Sawing. I'm going for sawing.
Stepping in snow!
Sawing. Sawing wood. Scratching skin with nails? Oh my gosh.
The freak, this is hard.
Dang.
Multiple farts. No. Cranking a car. A dirt bike.
Weird horse.
Getting a door stopper.
What the? Okay, yeah, I can see that.
Dude, it is.
They're good.
It's hard.
They're too good.
Ripping paper.
I was gonna say that too. Has to be ripping paper, right? They got something else. They got.
They got something else.
I got a trick up their sleeve.
Ripping a shit of paper.
Ooh, we're 2-0.
We're 2 and whatever.
2 and whatever. 2 and 10. I don't know when you hit this one.
Locking a door. Door lock thing.
Building blocks.
Unlocking the door.
You got it. If one of us gets one, we get it for the team. That's how hard this is. Window blinds.
Yeah. Window blinds.
Has to be. I don't see it not being window blinds. There we go. We got it. Closing window blinds. What if it said opening window blinds?
Opening a door, a chest.
It sounds like walking around in Minecraft.
Locking a door?
Opening a door.
Okay, that
We're
was my
counting
first
it.
one.
A door is a door. A door is a door.
First one. I said opening the door.
It counts.
Typing.
Clicking.
Typewriter.
I'm gonna say clicking a mouse.
Could be. Yeah, it sounds kind of like a mouse. Sounds a lot like a mouse now, actually.
Yeah.
Give me a harder one next time.
Another one for a team.
Oh,
That was
okay.
too easy.
Awesome.
That
So
was
we're
hard.
really good at this.
That's so freaking hard.
The second one was harder. But anyway, if you like this content, we don't always do games, but we've done about 2 or 1, but this is 2, whatever. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and remember that we upload every Friday at 6 a.m.
Yeah, it was really fun to do this time around.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
That's it for us.
Yeah, we're tired.
All right, man, back out. I'm just kidding.
That's so fast. No, but seriously.
Oh, Manny Pack.